Okay, starting with the bar area, um, your beverage fridge. This cabinet is the same depth as this, roughly, and then these cabinets are set back about 6 inches. Waterfall on this side. This is the cabinet that's going to sit on the countertop. We do crosshatch. That roughly represents how many wine bottles per section. You do have one accessory, I guess, this pull down in this cabinet here. Glass LED lighting and under cabinet lighting here if you want to do that. That might be overkill with your that vapor fireplace right here. So that's how this will look. The setback here, waterfall on this side, and this should be glass, and this one glass too. The kitchen, the hood, glass, just a door above the fridge. Now, one thing to consider on this cabinet here, if we're going to do the brass door. So this would be brass, this is brass, but if we do the paint grade paneling, this would be painted. So when you look at this, if this is all brass, this edge would be painted. If you want this brass too, we would have to look into a possibility of, because those glass doors or that brass frame is designed with a glass panel right here. So if we just leave this painted, I don't know if that's a deal breaker, but when you look at it, brass, but that edge right there, which is 3/4 of an inch wide, would be painted. Tray divider, spice pull out, your cooktop. Warming drawer, double ovens. This is glass here. This is a door now. Guess I can delete that. So that cabinet, you can see it goes back into the corner to take up some of that dead space. Trash pull out, sink cabinet, these angled panels here, dishwasher, drawer stack, glass here. Front of the island, your microwave, a cutting board, a door below it, drawers. This is the side of the glass cabinet right here. Glass door. And then a wood panel here. As if we have waterfall here, that countertop's going to end there. So we're going to have a wood panel right here. Because this is enclosed. Countertop overhangs to here, and that's all enclosed. So I think it'd look natural to put a panel right here on the back of the island. So both ends of the island are enclosed. A wood panel here. This is the waterfall. Because if we didn't put a wood panel, this just overhangs here. And then the wood paneling on the back of the island. And for the laundry, drawers. This is 18 inches deep. Sink cabinet, upper above it. This is 12 deep, 12 inches deep. These are 18 deep. 24 deep, the sink cabinet, and the upper above it. This one's 52 inches tall, as well as these guys here, 52. And on this cabinet here, this side panel is painted. The right side of this side panel is painted, so you have those 3/4 inch edges of those panels painted, and then the brass doors right here. And this cabinet obviously faces the range, so this is just a side panel. It doesn't open, just the side of this cabinet. The cutting board's right there. And that cutting board, this cabinet's only 18 deep, so that cutting board would be about 16 inches deep. When you pull it out, it would come out about 16 inches. But that's pretty close to the trash over here. Because if we split this drawer, I think it looks better to leave this. The only way to get the cutting board closer would be to split this, but it's just the same amount of distance. All right, let me know. Thanks.